fudgy, you won't know that this chocolate cake is flourless. In a heatproof bowl, melt the dark chocolate and butter together over a pot of simmering water. Stir until smooth and glossy. When completely melted, set aside to cool slightly. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs and sugar together for about 12 to 15 minutes until the mixture has doubled in volume. You can whisk the eggs and sugar using a hand mixer as well. Transfer the batter to a bowl once it's pale and fluffy. Pour in the milk and mix gently to combine with the whipped eggs. Do not overmix. Overmixing can deflate the batter. Slowly pour the melted chocolate butter mixture into the egg mixture. Then fold in the ground almonds until well incorporated. Batter into the prepared 16 to 20 centimetre pan. Bake for about 40 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Let cake cool for 10 minutes before transferring it. Enjoy.